Your LED defense accessory includes the following components. Your installation requires the following tools and a continuously powered outlet or InSinkErator dual outlet sink top switch. You may be able to install a grounded UL-listed two-way splitter. Consult with a professional electrician. If you are installing a new InSinkErator disposer along with the LED defense accessory kit, skip ahead to installing the LED defense flange. If you are adding the LED defense accessory to an existing disposal, you'll first need to remove the disposer using the following steps. Turn off the electrical power at the circuit breaker or fuse box. Disconnect the drain trap from the waste discharge tube. Disconnect the dishwasher if connected to the disposer. Supporting the disposer, insert the end of the wrenchette into the right side of the mounting lug and turn clockwise. The disposer will fall free. Using a flathead screwdriver, loosen the 3 screws on the mounting assembly. Next, using the screwdriver, pry off the snap ring. Remove the assembly. Remove the flange from the sink. Then, remove the old plumber's putty from the sink with a putty knife. Place the LED defense flange and the rubber gasket into the sink opening. Rotate the flange so that the stamped lettering is upright. Note, you can use plumber's putty as an alternative to the rubber gasket. Place a weight, such as the disposer, on the LED defense sink flange to hold it in place. Use a towel to avoid scratching the sink. For standard sinks, 1/2 inch thick or less. Insert the fiber gasket, backup flange, and mounting ring. Hold in place while inserting the snap ring. Hook the snap ring over the wire guard and firmly press on the opposite end of the snap ring until it snaps into the groove of the LED defense flange. Remove the wire guard by reaching inside the LED defense flange and pulling down on the tabs. The wire guard is no longer needed. Rotate the mounting ring so the hole aligns with the power cable. Route the power cable through the hole. For sinks over 1/2 inch thick and up to 3/4 inch thick, remove the wire guard by reaching inside the LED defense flange and pulling down on the tabs. The wire guard is no longer needed. Insert the fiber gasket, backup flange, and mounting ring onto the LED defense flange. Loop the power cable through the snap ring. Feed the cable into the hole on the mounting ring. Note, at this step, the snap ring hangs loosely in the power cable loop. Pull the power cable tight to ensure the snap ring will not pinch the cable. Press the snap ring firmly onto the LED defense flange until it snaps into the groove. Tighten the screws evenly and firmly against the backup flange. Replace the mounting gasket by pushing onto the neck of the disposer. Note, your disposer will already have this part. Discard the disposer mounting gasket and use the provided LED defense mounting gasket. Install or reinstall the disposer. Turn the mounting ring until all 3 mounting tabs latch over the ridges on the slide-up ramps. Connect or reconnect the plumbing, and if used, the dishwasher connection. Note, please reference your disposer manual for installation, plumbing, and electrical instructions. Wet the sink baffle and install it into the LED defense flange. Press firmly around the circumference until the sink baffle is fully in place. To test for leaks, insert the stopper into the sink opening. Fill the sink with water, remove the stopper to drain, and look under the sink for leaking water. Reconnect the electrical power at the fuse box or circuit breaker box. To power the LED defense accessory, connect the power adapter power cord to the LED defense flange. Plug the power adapter into a continuously powered outlet or plug it into the second outlet of an InSinkErator dual outlet sink top switch. You may be able to install a grounded UL-listed two-way splitter on a dedicated continuous GFCI outlet. Ensure that all wires don't touch any sharp edges. Note, it is normal to see a violet light at the grommet under the sink. If using a dual outlet switch, the light will turn off temporarily when the disposer runs. This will not impact LED defense effectiveness. Congratulations! Your installation is complete. You've now defended your disposal against odor-causing bacteria. Have questions? Please refer to the contents of the Installation Care and Usage Manual. For tech support, call 1-800-558-5700 or text us at 262-233-2231. InSinkErator. Kitchen better.